My name's Morgan Dawkins and I'm doing the production apprenticeship for Radio Wales. I'm 26 years old. My background before this, I graduated last year in theatre and drama with a theatre and drama degree. I sort of did a lot of teaching, I suppose. I did a lot of reception work, I did a lot of nursery work, a lot of kiddies and all that, kiddie fueled. And yeah, so I'm sort of a typical 26-year-old, I go out with my friends, I do all that jazz, and now I'm here. One thing I've learned so far is get your sleep, I would say. Have your rest, your beauty rest. And one thing I'm looking forward to is getting really stuck into it. Like, I know I have been now, but I feel like now that I've sort of learned the systems and stuff like that, I've done all the trainee bits, I feel like now I can sort of go into it and really get my teeth stuck into it and just sort of get into all the events and everything that's going to happen that is going to come with it. I would like to get the qualifications to enable me to continue working creatively, whether that's within the radio, whether that's wherever it sort of takes me. I just sort of want to get these skills and the qualifications and learn and meet so many people, get all the qualifications and the people to enable me to keep going, just to pay my rent,